Okay, we have a Warner & Swasey sliding bed turret lathe model M1740. It's a number 5 size. We're going to run her for you. Serial number is 1180-717. Okay. We're running the spindle right now. Okay. Low range, okay. And that's high range. Different speed. Reverse, I'm sorry. Shifted, different speed. The headstock sounds quiet. There's some sort of pulley. Pulley's a little loud. Belt area, but the head's quiet. Higher speed. Okay. So the machine has 20-inch swing. There's 30 in the gap. Right now we're feeding it longitudinally. Machine has from 26 to 1316 RPM. He's doing the cross feed. He's feeding the turret. You can see that. Bringing it back. He's going to index it. Indexing. Index again. Can you feed the turret again? Oh, you have it in feed. Yeah. And then smack it out, it'll kick out. There you go, it's kicked out. Do the cross feed again, the longitudinal cross. Longitudinal cross. Longitudinal. Okay. Shift the head one more time. Go. So you've seen it shift, you've seen it longitudinal, cross, turret feed, you've seen it all. Again, this is our serial number 1180-717. Machine was new in 1952. It's a number 5 sliding bed gap. Oh, last thing, could you show move the gap out? He cranks that out, and you can see that the bed moves away from the chuck, so you get more of a swing. Okay, now he's moving it in. You show by the chuck, you see where it's moving back and forth. Kind of a unique feature. All right, thanks again for watching our video.